Good morning, everyone. Being a boss or a manager is never easy. You always have to be on your toes and keep demonstrating various leadership traits and skill in engaging team to attain organizational goal. You also have to make sure that such approach is adapted, which ensures team's work-life balance. But still, there is always something left to be done, and that is why it's called a thankless job. But it is not as thankless as it sounds, and we have few of our colleagues who are talking about how their bosses are best. Let's hear it from them.
I feel very thankful to have an opportunity to simply express my gratitude towards my boss, my superior, mentor, Mr. Ravi Ratnakar Singh. Thank you, sir, very much for the valuable skills that I've learned from you over the past few years. Your thoughtfulness has empowered me and encouraged me to do my best always. Thank you, sir, for transforming my mistakes into valuable lessons. Your leadership has made me more productive and converted all my skills into strengths. The biggest challenge in having an extraordinary boss like you is that it will be very difficult for all of us to work anywhere else in future. Just like how trees needs water to grow, human needs air to live. Company needs bosses like you to survive and prosper. Thank you very much for being our lifeline. Thank you.
Hi, so today I got an opportunity to say something about my boss, Mr. Harsh Mittal. Well, the first thing that comes into my mind that he is very meticulous, workaholic and extremely busy, yet always open to hear new ideas and opinion. I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for being my boss and mentor, as he helped me to shape my career, professional life, and showed me to transform my mistakes into skills. He is always back you in front of team, no matter what you do, and will point out your mistakes in one-to-one meeting. He always expects you to have the knowledge of whatever document you are passing to him or to the board. Doesn't matter if it is in your area of work or not. Because of that, after some point of time, you will have the basic knowledge of all the departments. As a CS of the organization, one thing I want to tell you that he is very strict to follow the guidelines. He is always like to do the things as per the books and believes in good governance. That's it. In the end, I would like to say that thank you for always challenging me to improve and grow. Be like this always, and I'm not saying all this because you approve my manual punch. Thank you.
Hi, I am Himanshu Kumar Sharma. I am working with SMCB as a IT asset manager. Today I am sharing my views about my reporting manager Mr. Ankit Khare. So I have 10 year experience और मैं शिवाली में पिछले 2 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ उनके गाइडेंस में. तो मुझे उनके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. इवन मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरे अभी तक के कैरियर में वो मेरे सबसे अच्छे बॉस रहे हैं, क्योंकि ही इज नॉट अ बॉस, ही इज अ लीडर. वो सिर्फ एक बॉस ही नहीं है, वो एक लीडर की तरह है और लीडर हमेशा टीम को अपने साथ लेकर के चलता है. वही क्वालिटी उनके अंदर लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज है. वो हमेशा हमें मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं कि आप न्यू आइडियाज के साथ आइए, न्यू आइडिया इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए, अपनी पर्सनल ग्रोथ के साथ प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ भी कीजिए, जो कि हम ऑर्गेनाइज के हित में हो. सो मैं अब यही कहना चाहूंगा कि सर थैंक यू सो मच. वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello friends, today I'm here to speak few words for Kundra sir. I'm too young to praise him, but he's too experienced to teach us. He always solves our problems so humbly with a big smile on his face. I'm so blessed to be guided by him. Then Disha ma'am, she has so many wonderful qualities. Whether it is art or cooking, she's always a thumbs up and always dressed in the most elegant way. Most of all, always keep the team spirit high.
हाय, आई एम सुजीत, पार्ट फ्रॉम QRT टीम. आज मैं बात कर रहा हूँ अपने बॉस अंकित खरे सर के बारे में. ही इज ए गुड टीम लीडर. वो अपने टीम को साथ में लेके चलते हैं, नए नए आइडिया शेयर करते हैं, मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है और उनको हम कैसे अपने वर्क प्लेस पे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है जिससे हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ जाए. सेकेंडली अगर मैं बात करूँ एज ए क्यूआरटी टीम, तो हमारे पास मल्टीपल टास्क होते हैं एट ए सेम टाइम। उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है, उसका विजन क्या है, पर्पस क्या है, क्या क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है अगर हम कुछ ऐसे कर रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से वो गाइड करते हैं अपने टीम को, साथ में लेके चलना। सबसे अच्छी चीज़ अगर मैं बात करूं तो वो जितना इम्पोर्टेंस खुद को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए देते हैं उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अपने टीम मेंबर को देते हैं, कि जितने मैं इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए उससे ज़्यादा आप हो, क्योंकि जब तक आप लोग नहीं रहोगे तो एज ए टीम हम कुछ काम नहीं कर पाएंगे। ये सारी चीज़ें ना हमारी नॉलेज में उन्हें बेस्ट बनाता है। थैंक यू।
Our team is like a family, and Singla sir is the head of this family. He's very kind and very helpful person, and always up for his help and guidance. I'm very grateful to have a manager like him. His extended support is like a blessing for us and help us to grow in our future. His active participation in all the activity proves that age is just a number. My boss is the best.
मैं अपने बॉस सूर्य सर के बारे में ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हम जब भी उनके पास किसी इश्यू पे डिस्कशन के लिए जाते हैं तो उसको इश्यू को बहुत ध्यान से सुनते हैं और समझते हैं, और फिर उसका बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसका हम लोग को सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं। हम लोग उनसे कभी भी किसी भी विषय में बात कर लेते हैं, कभी नाराज नहीं होते, बहुत हम्बल हैं और हमेशा एक फैमिली मेंबर की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं। कभी भी किसी समय को हमसे डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं। कभी उनके साथ ऐसा नहीं रहा कि भाई तुमने इससे फोन कर दिया, बार बार मुझसे बात कर रहे हो, कभी ऐसी समस्या नहीं आती। ही इज ए वेरी गुड बॉस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone. Why my boss are best? That means why Gaurav and Harsh are best. They are having a lot of qualities which make them best, like team management, their caring nature, their discipline towards the work, and the best part is that they're exceptional motivator and they're very smart hard workers. The all qualities make them the best. Thank you.
Hi, my boss Ravi sir is the best boss because he is a good communicator, a strong leader, and a fair decision maker. So, working with you is indeed a privilege. Not everyone gets the privilege, opportunity of working with you, with such a humble, caring, and a man with an awesome sense of humor. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Stay safe, stay healthy, sir.
Hello, good evening. I would like to talk about my current boss, Mr. P.K. Gupta. He's the best in my view because he's still very hard worker in his second innings, and he's always ready and able to accept any task given by the senior management, and he's very supportive to his team. And one thing more, that his vision is very clear about the achievement of common goal of the organization. And one thing more, that I am very proudful and very thankful that he is my boss. Thank you, sir.
Gaurav Mittal sir, I think he is one of the coolest boss I ever had. He has a unique quality, and that is his quiet nature. And I think this is a best learning for me also. It's been more than 4 years to work under him. He always support and guide me at any situations. He allows me to take decision independently. That shows the trust and faith he is on me. He is also very helping and caring in nature. That motivates to connect with the organizations. I'm very fortunate that I got a chance to work with him. For me, he is the best boss.